Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm in our outdoor testing studio, and I know why you're here. You're here because you put your GoPro camera somewhere where you thought it was safe and it ended up not being safe, and you want to fix it before your wife finds out. So if you were to put your GoPro camera, which has been all over the world for years and years and years, motorcycles, cars, bus, truck, everything all over the world, and it's been perfect, but then you put it on the front of your RC car and then it comes back looking like this, all cracked on the lens there, the lens cover. You need to fix this quick before she finds out. So what you do, you buy this.
Whoa, I didn't know you cracked it. What's going on?
You buy this replacement lens cover, and it's super simple. So you just simply rotate this counterclockwise. It is hard to do, so don't be freaked out, but you just rotate it counterclockwise, take it off, put it down like that so it doesn't get any dust on it. Take the new one. I like to just leave the protective cover off while I'm handling it, putting it back on the GoPro. Push down, rotate, and then you take your pretty protective cover off, and it's like it never happened. And we'll just keep this between you and I. We won't tell the wives, the girlfriends, anybody else. Your GoPro's fixed. Obviously, this product is a 5 out of 5 on the keep it away from the significant other profile. Hope this helped. We'll see you next time.